The saying, necessity is the mother of invention, was never truer than when the Rockhampton City Council determined it was running out of existing cemetery space and sought to create a new area for dignified interments. The city administration and planners started fresh, discarding the time-honoured concept of cemeteries, mainly because the age-old system was becoming increasingly expensive in terms of grave preparation, maintenance, and the security of headstones and gravesite adornments. As well, it was felt that the all-too sombre nature of traditional cemeteries was out of step as the city heads into a new millennium. Council commissioned a totally fresh approach to the new memorial gardens. Having chosen the land, thought turned to a collection of prepared groves which would be most economical and would maximise land usage. It was also found desirable to have each gravesite capable of accommodating at least 2 interments, always bearing in mind that the coffin bearing the deceased should be in contact with Mother Earth. Eventually, a crypt system was found to fit the need. A delegation from Council visited many cemeteries and burial grounds elsewhere in Australia. Information gained on these visits, combined with innovative problem solving, eventually led to the modular crypt system of burials. The new method permits optimal land usage with crypts placed in a series of groves, which also allows for tighter pre-planning to meet anticipated future need. It's important to realise that it is not necessary to utilise prime land for the establishment of the modular burial system. Poorly drained areas, rocky land, in fact, any ground deemed unsuitable for development can be put to the best use as a location for a burial facility. The old-style gravesite, once dug, with attendant risks to the safety of the 2 personnel generally required to prepare the site, would remain unsightly before, during and after the interment. The gravesite, using the new design, is restored almost to pristine condition minutes after the mourning party has departed. Maintenance of burial sites is dramatically simplified, with consequent maximum savings realised through the reduced requirement for labour. Perhaps the greatest benefit for the relatives and friends of the deceased stems from the fact that up to 4 interments can be accommodated in a one family grave. Therefore, as members progressively pass on, the family can be kept together, and always the coffin is in touch with Mother Earth. The numbers of crypt modules employed within any one grove area is determined by the land area allocated to that particular grove.